The next steps in this case will involve a review of whether the state should file a notice of intent to seek the death penalty. We do this review for every first-degree murder case that is filed by the Maricopa County Attorney's Office to ensure consistency in how we review these cases and consistency in how we seek justice up to and including the death penalty. It is at this point that we will look at all available evidence, including any allegations of mental health issues and evidence of hate towards Elijah due to the categories I previously listed. If we reach the decision to not seek the death penalty because there is no reasonable likelihood a jury would return a verdict of death, or because we cannot overcome thresholds established by the U.S. Supreme Court to pursue the death penalty in the first place with respect to mental illness or intellectual disability, and it is way too soon to even reach tentative conclusions about either of those issues. I'm merely identifying matters we may have to address. If we choose not to pursue the death penalty, the case will still go forward as a first-degree murder case, with the natural life as the penalty that would be imposed following a conviction. The next hearing in the case will involve an arraignment, and then there will be an initial pretrial conference set. The state has 60 days by Arizona's Rules of Criminal Procedure to file a notice of intent to seek the death penalty. I expect us to have an agreement with the defense, as we do in so many other cases where there's a lot of information for us to review, to agree to extend that deadline to allow us to conduct a thorough review. We do not pursue the death penalty lightly, and we take every crime, such as the one before us, very seriously. What makes this offense so tragic is we had a 17-year-old who did absolutely nothing. As a father myself of a 16-year-old, I can't imagine what this young man's family is going through, and it is a significant loss to our community.